What if I told you that in the next 9 minutes, you could create a full World Cup anthem? Check this out.
Across every language, every culture, every divide, there is one tone we all speak fluently. The language of football, that is the miracle of this game. From Toronto, New York City, and Mexico, we carry every nation's fire, every victory. No dictionary needed when the beautiful game begins. Every tongue falls silent, then the whole world sings.
This is amazing, right? I wrote the lyrics in Claude AI, and I made the music with Suno AI, while the visuals and the lip sync are made in Higgsfield. No studio, no camera crew, no budget, just 3 AI tools and a good idea. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you are going to see exactly how I built this. The first step is to create your lyrics. If you have your lyrics, you can skip this step. But if you want help in creating lyrics, you can follow my steps. I am using Claude for this. In my opinion, Claude is always awesome when it comes to creating music videos. I would advise you before you write your lyrics. Define the concept. Next, include what type of music you want to make, like the genre. All this has to be included in your prompt. Let's say you want Afrobeats K-pop, and add that into your prompt. Here is the prompt I use. You can find it in my school community. Now that our lyric is ready, let's go ahead and generate the song. Head over to Suno AI by typing it on Google. You will be prompted to sign up or create an account. I already have an account, so I will skip the process. After logging into Suno, go over to Create, then choose. You can choose between simple or advanced. I will choose advanced because with this, I can have more control. I already have my lyrics, so I will paste them. Next is music style. This is where you select the type of genre you want. I have mine already, so I will paste it here. Next, click more to select your vowel. I am going to select female. Then I will leave other settings as default. Finally, click create. Suno AI will create 2 music for you, and you will select the best out of them. You can always tweak your prompt if you are not okay with your first output. When you are okay with the music, you can go ahead to download it. The next step is to generate the visual. For this, I'm going to use Higgsfield. Higgsfield is where I can access a Nano Banana, Seedance, and lip sync in one AI platform. The reason why I am using Higgsfield is that Higgsfield is uniquely distinct in the generative AI space through several core features. Next, I will generate my images. In my case, since the music video is all about football, the characters will be artists performing in the stadium, the team supporters, and the football players. I made them using Nano Banana Pro or Higgsfield Sold. Basically, what I did was I described her entire outfit, her skin color, hairstyle, and also the background. This is what I did for every character. Again, if you want the exact prompt, you can check my school community. The trick for maintaining a consistent character is generating a character sheet. This way, the AI fully understands what your character looks like. To create your character, you insert the character and select Nano Banana for the image generation, then paste in your character sheet prompt. This prompt makes the AI generate different poses and different angles of your characters, keeping every detail intact. Once the image is generated, you get something like this. Now that I have my character sheet, I can start generating the visual. For visuals, you have to think carefully, like what kind of video do I want to have? In my case, I want the setting of my video to be a football stadium and also have my characters in the settings. In this case, I have to direct the scene, direct the camera, and add lighting and emotion. For all of the scene where I wanted to lip sync, I will have my character as a close-up. For example, inside Higgsfield, you select the video feature, then you will different AI models select Seedance 2.0, and then over here you can upload your media. Seedance can only create a video up to 15 seconds. What that means is that you can put audio that is up to 15 seconds. Sometimes Seedance will not only lip sync the audio, but it will also lip sync the instrument. The best way to solve this is to upload your audio file without the instrument. To achieve that, if you are on the Pro version of Suno, you can achieve that. If you are not on the Pro version, you can also achieve that on CapCut. Head over to CapCut and drag your audio into your timeline. Right-click and select Isolate Voice, then click on Keep Vocal. With this, your character will not have to lip sync the instrument. Split your audio into 15 seconds so that you can put that into Seedance. Here are my files. Pro tips: Seedance would always run an eligibility check on every file. I have drop in my audio file, character sheet, and image of my character. With this, Seedance will have a better understanding when you paste in your prompt. So I have prompt like this. You basically get what you want happen or what you want to see in your video. Here is what the prompt said. A young woman stands in a vibrant green grassy field under natural daylight. The camera is positioned extremely close to her face, captured in an ultra-realistic extreme close-up using a wide-angle lens, creating an immersive and intimate perspective. She is accurately lip-syncing word for word to the reference audio track, maintaining perfect synchronization throughout the video. The original song remains unchanged and plays exactly as provided. I am saying this because the song changes sometimes. For the aspect ratio, select 16:9, then 1080p for the resolution, and then click Generate. If you want to spice up your video and you want to include some B-roll, I advise you use Kling 3.0. You might be wondering why I am not using Seedance for my B-roll. This is because I want to save more credit and I don't have to lip sync the B-rolls. So I will generate different B-rolls. So during my editing, I can insert the B-rolls to match the audio in editing. So the last stage is editing. First, you will have to lay out your music track first, then you lay out all the shorts that are matched with the lyrics. After this, you can start playing around in your editing, making sure you fill in the gaps. It is a lot of fun, and I know it looks difficult. Trust me when you try this process. I promise you your second attempt won't be difficult, and you improve as you go. So again, if you want to try this out, I leave the link to Higgsfield's in my prompt below.